Hello everyone. Today we discussing the top superfood for fatty liver relief. Fatty liver disease is a growing health concern, affecting millions of people worldwide. This condition occurs when excessive fat accumulates in the liver cells, leading to inflammation and potential liver damage. While genetics and lifestyle factors play a role, diet is a crucial component in managing and reversing fatty liver disease. But did you know that incorporating certain superfoods into your diet can help combat this condition? In this video, we'll explore the top 6 superfoods that can aid in reversing fatty liver disease and promoting overall liver health. Avocados are a true superfood when it comes to liver health. These creamy, nutrient-dense fruits are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Avocados are also an excellent source of fiber, which aids in healthy digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels, a crucial factor in managing fatty liver disease. Additionally, they contain powerful antioxidants like vitamin E, which can protect the liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. But what really sets avocados apart is their high concentration of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver detoxification by helping to eliminate harmful toxins and byproducts from the body. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are true powerhouses when it comes to liver health. These nutrient-dense veggies are packed with compounds essential for liver function and detoxification. One of the standout components in leafy greens is chlorophyll, which can aid in the body's natural detoxification process by binding to toxins and facilitating their removal from the body. Additionally, leafy greens are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin K, which help protect the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation, two key contributors to fatty liver disease. Furthermore, these greens are excellent sources of folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in liver cell regeneration and repair. Berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, are nature's little powerhouses when it comes to combating fatty liver disease. These colorful fruits are loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins and resveratrol, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two key factors that contribute to the development and progression of fatty liver disease. Anthocyanins, the pigments that give berries their vibrant hues, have been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory properties, while resveratrol, a compound found in the skin of grapes and berries, can help regulate fat metabolism and reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Additionally, berries are rich in fiber, which can aid in healthy digestion and blood sugar regulation, both essential factors in managing fatty liver disease. Walnuts are a true superfood when it comes to liver health, thanks to their impressive nutrient profile. These crunchy nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid ALA, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Inflammation is a key contributor to fatty liver disease, and the anti-inflammatory effects of omega-3s can help mitigate this process. Walnuts are also an excellent source of antioxidants like ellagic acid and vitamin E, which provide additional protection against oxidative stress and damage to the liver cells. Furthermore, these nuts contain a wealth of other beneficial nutrients, such as plant sterols, which can help regulate cholesterol levels, and amino acids like arginine, which support liver function and detoxification. Turmeric, the vibrant golden spice that adds warmth and depth to many dishes, is a true superfood when it comes to liver health. This ancient spice contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown to help reduce liver fat and improve liver function in people with fatty liver disease. One of the key mechanisms by which curcumin exerts its beneficial effects is by inhibiting the production of inflammatory molecules and reducing oxidative stress, two major contributors to fatty liver disease. Additionally, curcumin can help regulate fat metabolism and promote the breakdown of excess fat in the liver, further aiding in the management of this condition. Green tea is a beloved beverage that has been cherished for centuries for its health-promoting properties, and when it comes to liver health, it truly shines. This ancient elixir is rich in potent antioxidants called catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate egg, which has been shown to have a protective effect on the liver. Egg can help reduce oxidative stress, inflammation, and fat accumulation in the liver, all of which are key factors in the development and progression of fatty liver disease. Additionally, green tea contains other beneficial compounds, such as polyphenols and flavonoids, which can further support liver function and detoxification. Drinking green tea regularly has been associated with improved liver enzyme levels and a reduced risk of developing fatty liver disease. By incorporating these 6 superfoods into your diet, you can take a proactive step towards combating fatty liver disease and promoting overall liver health. Remember, a balanced and nutritious diet rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant-packed foods, combined with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle, can go a long way in preventing and managing fatty liver disease. So, start adding these superfoods to your meals today and take charge of your liver health. Incorporate avocados into your salads and smoothies, load up on leafy greens at every meal, snack on berries and a handful of walnuts, add a dash of turmeric to your curries and stir-fries, and sip on a refreshing cup of green tea throughout the day. Your liver will thank you for the nourishing and protective benefits of these superfoods. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.